Good day everyone, this is Victor from Lockin Machinery. Here is our lockin assembly workshop. All you can see this machine is for our plain spec order, and with the customized color green and the standard color blue. Now we are going to show you our machines. Our foaming roller material is GR15 and the cutting roller is MOV12. And here is special for the locking pin. You don't need to adjust the table to make the locking pin directly. And this notch is special for the elbow. And our motor is 2.2 kilowatts. It's different from the machine in the market. 2.2 kilowatt is special for the LC12DR. Most 12DR lock forming machine in the market is 1.5 kilowatts. And this one with the electric box is make the standard of the Europe. So let's see the electric box inside. Machine is special for the European countries. We are also making other machines like TTF plates, AutoDuct line, and other small machines. So feel free to order from us. Thank you.